Are you planning a big move and wondering, should I sell my house if I'm relocating? Moving to a new place can be an exciting adventure, but it can also bring a fair share of stress, especially when it comes to deciding whether to sell your Denver, Colorado home. To help you make an informed decision, we've put together an all-inclusive checklist for selling your house when relocating. Evaluate your financial situation. Before making any decision, carefully assess your finances. Consider factors like your current mortgage, the estimated worth of your Denver home, and the potential costs of moving. Weigh the pros and cons of selling, renting, or keeping the property. Consult with a financial advisor if necessary to ensure you're making the best choice for your financial future. Research the local Denver real estate market. Get to know the Denver housing market before deciding to sell. Investigate recent sales and trends in your neighborhood, and pay attention to the average time on the market for similar properties. Engaging a local real estate agent can be invaluable in helping you understand the market dynamics and offering expert guidance. Determine the optimal time to sell. Timing is crucial when selling a house. Analyze the Denver real estate market to figure out the best time to list your property. Consider factors such as seasonal fluctuations, interest rates, and economic trends. A knowledgeable real estate agent can help you identify the perfect time to sell your Denver home. Prepare your house for sale. Before putting your house on the market, it's essential to ensure it's in excellent condition. Address any necessary repairs or improvements, declutter your living space, and stage your home to appeal to potential buyers. A well-presented property can lead to a faster sale and a higher sale price. Calculate the costs of selling your home. Selling a house in Denver, Colorado, comes with its expenses. Factor in the costs of repairs, staging, real estate agent fees, and closing costs. Having a clear understanding of these expenses will help you set realistic expectations and avoid any unpleasant surprises. Hire a reputable real estate agent. Working with a skilled, experienced Denver real estate agent is key to a successful sale. A good agent will guide you through the entire process, from preparing your home for sale to negotiating the best possible deal. Establish a reasonable asking price. Setting the right asking price is crucial for attracting interest and getting your Denver home sold quickly. A competent real estate agent will help you determine a fair market value based on comparable properties and current market conditions. Create a marketing plan. A well-executed marketing plan is essential for showcasing your home to potential buyers. Collaborate with your real estate agent to develop a strategy that includes professional photography, captivating description, and targeted online and offline advertising. Prepare for showings and open houses. Ensure your home is clean, decluttered, and staged for showings and open houses. Be flexible with scheduling and willing to accommodate potential buyers' requests. Your real estate agent will help manage these events and provide valuable feedback from visitors. Review offers and negotiate terms. Once you start receiving offers, carefully review them with your real estate agent. Be prepared to negotiate terms, including price, contingencies, and closing dates. With the right strategy and guidance, you'll be able to secure the best deal possible for your Denver, Colorado home. Conclusion: relocating from Denver, Colorado is a significant life event, and deciding whether to sell your home can be a challenging decision. By following this comprehensive checklist and working with a knowledgeable real estate agent, you can navigate the process with confidence and make the best choice.